Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make hijiki salad. Japanese people eat a lot of different types of seaweed on daily basis, and hijiki seaweed is one of the most popular ones. It's very easy to cook. If you're not familiar with seaweed, this is the one you want to start with. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this hijiki salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 20g dried hijiki seaweed, 100g edamame, onion and carrot, canned tuna, 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 2 tablespoons ponzu sauce, little bit of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. At first, I'm going to rehydrate the hijiki seaweed by following the instruction on the package. It says I just need to soak it in lukewarm water for 15 minutes. I'm going to do that. So prepare plenty of water. Hijiki seaweed will expand when it's rehydrated. So let's put the hijiki seaweed and leave this for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. So carrot, I'm going to use half of it, so let's cut it into half. Peel the skin. Cut the top off. I want to make very thin strips, so make very thin diagonal slices first. Then into strips. So it's very, very thin strips. Then onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half. I'm making very thin slices. You can of course use knife, but I'm cheating. Raw onion is sometimes too pungent, especially for children. To remove the pungency, add some water and rub in the water. Drain it. And it's not too pungent, even for children. Now I'm making the dressing. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise in a large bowl. Two tablespoons ponzu sauce. Little bit of garlic paste. Some salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon. And mix it well. By now, hijiki seaweed should be rehydrated, so it's time to put them all together. Carrot, edamame, onion as you squeeze it really well. Like this. Hijiki seaweed, drain it. Press it down to remove any excess water. Then into the bowl. And tuna. I want to remove the oil, so let's use the same strainer. Then into the bowl. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Let's serve it in the bowl here. And Hijiki salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Seaweed can be a little bit too boring, but tuna and garlic add so much flavor to it, and the texture of vegetables are very nice. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Hijiki salad is the side, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I normally have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. For the main dish, you can have anything you like, but how about miso and butter salmon? I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!